How's it going, everybody? I just picked up these CAPRI Kontour screwdriver set for a really good deal on Amazon. I think I paid $14. It's really the only reason I bought them. I had a sale. They were down to $24 and I had the $10 promotion credit. So I figured, what the hell? I've been on kind of a screwdriver kick anyway. These are made in Taiwan, guaranteed lifetime warranty. It's got 4 Phillips, 4 flathead. Comes in a plastic case. It's not like the foam, and it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Kind of a bit of wasted space. But really the only reason I wanted to do this video, so I'm going to make a screwdriver video soon anyway, because I've been buying a bunch lately. As soon as I picked these up, made me think of one thing. Can you look at the handle and guess? Alright. Here's a Wera, or Wera. Focus. Alright. And these handles are identical. Really don't know what kind of shape you'd call this one. The Wera is a little bit longer, but the Wera still feels better because it's got better rubber on it. Capri has the blue is kind of a hard plastic, and the black it's rubber, but it's like really kind of hard. It's almost like plastic. The tips are not magnetic, and I guess they're a decent screwdriver. I mean, they'll do the job, but wouldn't be my first choice. I mean, a lot of screwdrivers use the same handles, use the same manufacturer, but it's one of the most obvious ones I've seen. I'm pretty sure these aren't made by the same people. So these are from Germany, these are Taiwan. But yeah, we'll have some more one more screwdriver video coming. So I've been buying at least one of several different brands, so that's coming soon. Hope you like and subscribe. Have a good day.